All right, you're on, buddy.
All right, we're doing the Pinkus Ur Pils. It's made in Germany. So, world's first organic brewery. They started in 1816. So, I should tell you that organic stuff has been around for a while. It's 5.2% alcohol. The IBUs aren't listed on here, but they're probably in the 20s. Apparently certified organic, so let's give it a shot.
Yeah, Ur Pils. UR is original or original to style or first. So it's very traditional Pilsner style, but it's like you said, it's a German, Bavarian style Pilsner, not, you know, it's not going to be like a Czech style, exactly.
Yeah. Nice golden honey.
Very, very
Look
light.
to it.
Oh, good.
Try to keep my footing on these little. Smells sweet.
Very dry. Very dry.
Ooh, that tastes sweet too. I like that.
It has that, oh, I get real dryness out of it.
Oh, it is dry.
So it
Sweet
definitely
essence.
has that kind of German or Bavarian kind of yeast character to it. You know, if you drink a Spaten Pils, it's like it has that sort of flavor and character and aroma to it.
Yeah.
When you walk into a fermentation room or you're transferring from fermentation to, you know, lagering or you know, just aging, it has that sort of smell to it. Very light, very finished, very clean sort of smell. Yeasty,
Yeah.
crisp.
Absolutely crisp. I agree with that. It's fucking great.
Yeah, it doesn't have that caramely aspect
And
that
it'd
the
be
Czech beers have. It has a real crisp sort of almost German kind of just typical pale lager kind of to me it reminds me, not exactly, but it reminds me a lot of a Spaten or some of the German inspired Japanese beers. It kind of has that to it, although it's a little more complex, a little more malty, a little more rich.
That's fucking great. It would definitely.
Real light.
Oh yeah, real light, real crisp. Ends up dry. Fish. Salmon would be great with this.
Salmon would be good. It'd be really good with a good char-broiled Copper River salmon. A good fatty, rich Copper River salmon would be fantastic in here with, you know, you might do just a real traditional like peppercorn or lime and chili compound butter on top of it. A little, you know, beurre blanc or something, just kind of more traditional and simple would really, really match that up. But yeah, salmon.
This would go also good with like heavily peppered stuff, like peppered bacon.
Yeah,
bacon would be fucking just great with this. Like
yes, it would be good with peppered bacon. You could do like a lunchtime BLT and kind of a spicy, peppery anchovy Caesar salad would be real good with this.
Yep. Yeah. Be great.
It'd be good with some lighter curry as well, you know, just going along with the kind of spiced theme.
Yep.
Real lighter, kind of maybe a yellow curry would be good with this. Bunny chow or something.
Yeah. It was actually go with some rice meals too.
Yeah.
Brown rice, white rice even. Asian foods.
Yeah, brown rice and chicken, or like a brown rice, lentil and chicken kind of thing with the, you know, just some more, again, with the kind of the Indian curry sort of just spiciness, you know, not hot spicy necessarily, although it'd be okay with that.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
But just spiced, yeah. Yeah, I'm with you there, man.
That's cool.